Welcome to my YouTube channel MCQ for all competitive exam. Today's topic constitutional amendment in Indian polity. All our previous year question we try to collect most important question. Ninth schedule to Indian Constitution was added by A. First Amendment, B. 8th Amendment, C. 9th Amendment, D. 42nd Amendment. Answer is First Amendment. Which one of the following bills must be passed by each house of the Indian Parliament separately by special majority? A. Ordinary bill, B. Money bill, C. Financial bill, D. Constitution amendment bill. Answer is Constitution amendment bill. The 84 Amendment Act has frozen the total number of existing seats in the Lok Sabha on the basis of 1971 census. They shall remain altered till the first census to be taken after the year A. 2010, B. 2015, C. 2026, D. 2021. Answer is 2026. Which of the following constitutional amendment integrated Sikkim as a full-fledged state of Indian Union? A. 34th Amendment, B. 37th Amendment, C. 35th Amendment, D. 36th Amendment. Answer is 36th Amendment. Which of the following has banned floor crossing by the members elected on a party ticket to the legislative? 52 Constitution Amendment Act, B. People's Representation Act, C. National Security Act, D. Maintenance of Internal Security Act. Answer is 52nd Constitution Amendment Act. The right to property was removed from the list of fundamental rights enlisted in the Constitution of India through which one of the following amendments? Option A. 23rd Amendment, Option B. 73rd Amendment, Option C. 44th Amendment, Option D. 76th Amendment. Answer is 44th Amendment. The 42nd Amendment Act was incorporated into the Constitution of India, a new chapter on A. Administration of Union Territories, B. Formation of Interstate Council, C. Fundamental duties, D. None of these. Your answer is fundamental duties. Which of the following constitutional amendment acts was said to be mini constitution? A. 42nd, B. 44, C. 46th Amendment, D. 50 Amendment. Answer is 42nd Amendment. The minimum age of voting in India was lowered from 21 to 18 years by the Constitutional Amendment Act, A 63rd Amendment, B 57th Amendment, C 61st Amendment, D 59th Amendment. Answer is 61st Amendment. By which Amendment Act of the Constitution of India were the directive principle of state policy given precedence over fundamental rights wherever they came into conflict? A 40 Amendment, B 46th Amendment, C 42nd Amendment, D 44th Amendment. Answer is 42nd Amendment. The Constitution 93rd Amendment Act deals with A. Local self-government, B. Extension of reservation in education institution, C. Basic structure of the Constitution of India, D. Appointment of judges in the Supreme Court of India. Extension of reservation in educational institution. The method of constitutional amendment is provided in option A. Article 348, B. Article 368, option C. Article 358, D. Article 378. Your answer is Article 368. Which one of the following amendments of the Constitution of India deals with issue of strengthening of Panchayat Raj? Option A 42nd Amendment, B 86th Amendment, C 44th Amendment, D 73rd Amendment. Your answer is 73rd Amendment. The most controversial amendment passed during emergency was option A 41st Amendment, B 42nd Amendment, C 43rd Amendment, D 44th Amendment. Your answer is 42nd Amendment. Thank you watching our video.